Hello. Today we are exploring the only place in Sofia with single, two-way tram track. We will show you why it's there and what's its history, and some more information about it. Everything starts in 2010 with the construction of the second metro line. Some tram lines had to be redirected and a railway next to this tunnel had to be built. Unfortunately, there wasn't enough space and only one track could fit. And now we are left with this supposedly temporary railway, staying long after the construction of the second metro line. Now for those wondering how trams know when another tram is already going, here's explanation. This red light detects when a tram is coming by a short circuit and stays red. I hope you liked this video and learned something new. Bye.